Our justice system is under attack. We're meeting in the midst of an attack on our justice system. Its integrity is at stake. The president seems to be deliberately trying to obstruct justice. In these comments, he is showing a design to interfere with the normal criminal justice process and obstruct it. So the justice system is under attack, and I'm going to be looking for strong statements from this nominee that as a Court of Appeals judge, let alone nominee for the United States Supreme Court, he disapproves and condemns these kinds of obstructionist tweets. Strong statements from this nominee that as a Court of Appeals.
I am not, as a member of the United States Senate, I am not given the authority or the right to advise and consent on the president's tweets. The president obviously has opinions, and he's entitled to express those opinions. On the Justice Department issue and the prosecution of the two congressmen, what I care about is whether Justice Department followed policy. Now, I've seen conflicting reports on that. I haven't had time to research it. But if justice followed policy, I'm okay with that.
It was over and above what he's done before to say that Justice Department ought to punish his enemies and protect his friends goes beyond what any president in my memory has ever said, and that we can't normalize that. We just can't.
At this point, are you trying to get your own questions answered, or are you trying to make other?
You know, I was a prosecutor for 8 years. I never would have stood for anybody telling me you prosecute this one, not that one. And for the President of the United States to say, prosecute, in effect, prosecute only Democrats, not Republicans, that is destructive of our rule of law. It hurts prosecutions, courts all over the country. It is unprecedented. I mean, you might see this in Korea, North Korea, when the leader might say, here, this is who you prosecute. No president of the United States, Republican or Democrat, has ever crossed that line and told people, don't prosecute Republicans, only prosecute Democrats. As a former prosecutor, I can't believe it.
Are you going to bring?
I never would have stood for anybody telling me you prosecute this one, not that one.
The president continues to tweet and act and speak as if somehow the Attorney General of the United States swore an oath to him personally and to turn the Department of Justice into his personal law department of the Trump organization rather than what it needs to be, which is an agency that is sworn to uphold the Constitution and to enforce the law. President Trump's tweets about the investigation and indictment of the first two Republican congressmen to endorse him were wrong on the facts and wrong on the law. And it should concern everyone on this committee that we have a president who continues to aggressively insert himself into ongoing federal criminal investigations. Thank you all very much.
Thank you.